Problem 1. The geometry teacher drew a right triangle on the board and labeled one of the angle 50 degrees. What is the measure of the other two angles? So the key for this problem is to understand that when you have a right triangle, the sum of the three angles is what? 180 degrees. So as a right triangle, that means what? One angle is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So if one angle is 90 degrees, that means the other two angles, the sum of the other two angles will be another 90 degrees. So they help you. They say one angle is 50 degrees. Okay, it's a right angle. It's a right angle. We have a 90 degrees. Another angle is 50 degrees. So what's going to be the third angle? It's going to be 40 degrees. Therefore, the correct choice is number 3. Again, why is a 40 degrees? Because when you have 180 degrees, you subtract 90 degrees, you have 90 degrees. And now from that 90 degrees, we have 50 degrees. So 90 minus 50. And that gives you 40. That's why we have a 3 as the best choice. Okay. The next question. If x is 7 and the y is 10, what is the value of the expression xy minus y plus 2? Okay, xy means x multiplied by y, okay, minus parenthesis y plus 2. So here is just to substitute x and the y value in the expression. So we take x value, which is 7, 7 multiplied by 10, because y value is 10, minus parenthesis y value is 10 again, plus 2. So based on other operation, which is pandas, we'll do what we have inside the parentheses. So pandas, that is a quick review. So P is parentheses. Now in the parentheses, you have a 10 plus 2, and the 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, so you have a 12 here. Now the negative sign is here, and the 7 times 10 is 70. Okay, after parentheses, we need exponential. There is no exponential here. And now multiplication is that. Division, we don't have a division. So addition, we don't have addition, we have a subtraction. And what is 70 minus 12? That is 58. Therefore, the best choice is 3. Next question. Levi took 3 tests in his geography class and scored 85, 72, and 78. He needed to have an average of 80 to get a B in the class. What minimum score did he need on the 4th and last test? So we have 4 grades in total, but here only 3 grades they gave. But the nice thing is that the average is 80. Okay, and we need the last grade to get this average grade of 80. So this is a mean formula we're gonna use. And the mean formula means we add all the grades divided by the number of grades we have. So 85 plus 72 plus 78 plus the missing grade. That missing grade, we're gonna let x be that missing grade. Everything divided by 4. Where the 4 came from? Because we have a 4 grade, and this is equal to 80, which is the average grade. Okay, so to find x, we have to understand that we can combine all these three grades as like terms. So 85 plus 72 plus 78 is 235. So you have a 235 plus x divided by 4 is equal to 80. Now we're going to cross multiply because 80 is same as 80 divided by 1. So this is a proportion. And as a proportion, if we take 235 plus x multiplied by 1, this is same as 4 multiplied by 80. Okay, so 235 plus x multiplied by 1 is the same thing, is equal to 4 multiplied by 80 is 320. And from here, we can solve for x. So we're going to subtract 235 from both sides, 235. So we have a here cancel out. So x is equal to 320 minus 235 is 85. Therefore, the best choice is this here, number 5. Okay. The next question. The price of a sofa is decreased by 25% to $420. What was its original price? Okay, you have to understand that when they said a price is decreased by 25%, that means what? The price is decreased by a quarter because 25% is a quarter. So if you take the original price, you divide it by 4, okay, one part is a 25%. So they decrease the original price by that part, one quarter of the price. Okay, another way to understand this is that if they decrease this by 25% and they get 420, that means what? Three quarters of the uh, the original price is 420. Okay, that's why to solve this question, okay, we let x be the original price because everything here is based on the original price. Okay, so if the price of the sofa is decreased by 25%, okay, to $420, then the sofa is sold for 75%. So that means what? 75% of the original price is 420. 75% of the original price is 420. So that is in math means is equal to. Okay, and the same that's 75% of x, that means what? 75% multiplied by x. That's the meaning. So we have to convert 75% in decimal, which is 0.75, and we multiply that by x because 75% of. So if I say, oh, I need a half of 10, so that means what? It's gonna be 0.5 multiplied by 10. Or I need a third of 9, so we're gonna be what? 1/3 multiplied by 9. So of here in math means multiplication. So having 0.75x equals 420, to solve for x, what we do? We divide both sides by 0.75. 0.75, 0.75. Okay, so that's why we have an x here is 420 divided by 0.75. Therefore, the answer is 560. So the original price is 560. And to double check this answer, you can take 576, you divide it by 4 to find what is the quarter of that or 25% of that. And if you subtract the result from 560, you get the 420. Okay, so thank you again for your attention. Feel free to leave any comment for this video. If you need more explanation, I will do that, and I will see you in our next videos. Thank you.